morning, friends. Welcome to Rocky Mountain Gardens. And my name is Mary. I live in Colorado, and I am here today to share with you my latest finds at thrift stores. Now, guys, I have gone, I would say I spent 2 days in the last couple of weeks going out to various thrift shops around my town. And I have really, you might say, hit the mother lode. For me anyway, I found some wonderful things that I am so excited to have in my home and to use in my decor and do some little makeovers on some of them perhaps. Let's see what I found. We'll start with this stack of books that I have right here in front of me. And oh my goodness, guys, I found 3 vintage little, what are they called? Little golden books for Christmas time, and I am just so excited. Here we have a book about Rudolph. Oh my gosh. I cannot wait to read these to my grandsons. I'm getting quite a collection to read, but these vintage illustrations are just spectacular. So I have the Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer, Frosty the Snowman, and look at this one, Jingle Bells. Each of these was 99 cents, and I got these at the Ark, which is in Colorado. It is a thrift organization. I don't know if it's a national one, but here it is a thrift organization to help mentally and physically challenged people. So it's a really good thrift cause, I guess you could say. And then Mo Willems is one of my favorite authors for children, and this one is so cute. He wrote an entire series about Elephant and Piggy, their friends, and all of their little escapades. But another great book for my grandsons. And then, oh my gosh, look at this, guys. $1.99 for this really cute Miss Spider's Tea Party book that I have read to children at school often, and they simply adore it. So this is another, like I said in my last thrift haul, these large picture books go for about $20, for example, at Barnes & Noble. So getting it for $1.99 is quite a bargain. Now, I found at our sister's thrift store, which is another charity thrift store, I found this book, Rebecca of Sunnybrook Farm. Now, I bought this book for a purpose because after Christmas, I am going to be making a really nice gardening journal for myself, and I'm going to take you along as I make that later on after all the Christmas festivities are over and we're starting to think about spring. I am going to take this book and turn it into sort of a garden junk journal. And oh my gosh, I just cannot wait to work on this project. I'm so excited. And you know what's so nice about using an existing book when you're making any kind of a journaling type of tome is you don't have to create the book, the spine and everything like that, and you have existing pages to work with. Even some lovely illustrations if you like to keep them in the book. And the other thing I like about this book is it has this finish on the pages, this sort of roughed edge finish. So it's really going to make my final product of my garden junk journal look more vintage. And I can't wait to share that with you. So those are my books that I got. Then I did get some linens. I got this beautiful, let me see how much this cost. This was $3.99, but it is a hand embroidered small cloth. And so I'm going to wash this up and iron it, and you'll see this in my spring decor. I cannot wait to share that with you. It's going to be super fun. Then I got this lovely throw, and it is, look at that, beautiful check, or sorry, plaid design. And this was very inexpensive. It was $3.99 also. So these need to be washed up, and I've kept them in my garage for about 5 days. And then I'm going to wash them up, of course. Now on the, what do we call these? Plates, china. In that vein, I did get some really cool things. First of all, for $1.99, and I think I found this one at the Ark also, is this plate, which is a Wedgwood plate, and the pattern is called Countryside. The reason I got this plate is because my aunts left a set of these Wedgwood plates to my daughter when they passed away, and you know, it's not a complete set. We're missing some pieces. So I've been out looking for things to go with it. But this is actually the pattern that my daughter has now. And then what I did, I'm looking for other blue and white pieces to go with it, sort of mix and match. And this is done by Wood and Sons in England. And look at it. It is I guess you'd call it like one of those tourist plates that are available, you know, when you go to different famous places. And this is Niagara Falls, but it is, for my Canadian friends, this is from the Canadian side of the falls. And so isn't it cute? And this will make a great plate to sort of mix and match with this Wedgwood plate. They're slightly different, but they're both blue and white. And one of these days I'll be doing a tablescape using all of these treasures for you. Oh, and by the way, this was $2.99. Now, I found this plate, which is perforated, for $1.59. And I got this one at Goodwill. Let me give you a really good close-up of it. And it sort of has that lusterware finish to it. It's iridescent on the plate, and I just love these little perforations in it. Makes it quite unique. Oh, sorry. I have a glare from the sun here this morning. But anyway, I love this one too. I will be doing a tablescape one day using all of my collectibles that I have been finding at different shops. Oh my goodness, it's just so much fun. Now guys, I found something that I was so excited about. I found oval trays at, I think this was from the Ark as well. These were $1.99. And this one, and I haven't cleaned these up at all or tried to restore them, but these oval plates are done by Currier and Ives, as it says on the back. And let me just hold it up for you. This one is called the American Homestead Summer. So this is a summer scene. And guys, after I get it a little bit washed up, you'll see it in my summer decor. And even more exciting, because Christmas is upon us almost, another one of these Currier and Ives trays, and it was $1.99 as well. And this is called the American Homestead Winter. So I will be using this. Oh my gosh. It is so vintage and so lovely. These Currier and Ives scenes were just delightful and such a part of Americana. So I was so excited. You can see these are well worn. They're quite almost rusted, but oh my gosh, fantastic find. I was just like almost jumping in the thrift store when I found that. Now I'm going to be framing up a few more things for my house. So I did get another frame. Don't ever buy frames, I'm telling you, at Hobby Lobby or Michael's or wherever. Go to your thrift store. This is one thing that is such a find and so inexpensive at thrift stores. This was only $1.59. It's an 8x10 frame, has black finish to it. And I may be changing the finish on the frame. I'm not quite sure yet because it depends on what I put in it. But I have been picking up more frames in order to be able to do these. I want to do some photo and vintage photo arrangements in my home. All right, another treasure I found. Well, let's start with this. This was $3.99, but it's a faux pearl necklace. But I just love these, and I can use these in my decor as well. So I grabbed this at the Ark, and oh my goodness, I was so excited to find this milk glass as well. Now this one was $2.99 for, and I looked these up on Etsy, and they go for between $15 to $20 on Etsy. And it does have some dirt on here that I'm going to clean off. Let's see if I can find it for you. Right there, you can see some brown on it. Is that? Yeah, right there. You can see some brown on the edges of it, but that's easy to clean off. A little tip for you all, if you're buying china or any kind of decor pieces that are made of glass or china, porcelain, a Mr. Clean eraser, the magic eraser, those are fantastic for cleaning off any grime or anything that's on a piece like this. So I, of course, will be cleaning it. But for $2.99 for a milk glass piece, this is going to just be lovely. And I can't wait to use it in my spring decor. So watch for it then. I'll be doing a spring home tour later, so of course you will see it then. Now, you all know, if you've been following me for a while, you know that I love baskets. And guys, I found this one. I've been looking for a basket that I can put one of my plants in, and this was just perfect size. I love that it has this cute little handle, and I'm not exactly sure. I don't like this. You know how I am about the orangey color. Don't like that. So I'm going to do something with it. Not quite sure yet. But I have some surprises coming for my kitchen after the holidays that I'm going to share with you. So this will be part of that. My last and final find, which, oh my gosh, I was so thrilled to see, was this cute little stool. Is that not? And it's perfect. I was thinking I might paint it, but I'm thinking now that I might leave it black. I'm not quite sure how I'm going to handle it, but I know I'll be using it in my Christmas decor for sure. And let me just look. The price was $4.99. So I would say it's almost 12 inches square. So it's kind of a larger stool. Love these little turned legs for the decor. And oh my gosh, is that not perfect for $4.99? This, of course, I went through this kind of fast, and I just want to tell you that, you know, I think the more I get into this thrifting and hunting around in different thrift stores in my town, the more excited I become. And I've sort of given up on shopping at you know, all of the box stores like Hobby Lobby or Michael's or Joann's for my decor, because I can find so many cool things in the thrift shops, and I am just enjoying it so much. I can't wait till next spring when we have garage sales again. But anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed my haul and got to see what I have acquired in the last few days or weeks. And I'll be doing another thrift haul maybe in December. In fact, one of my best friends who lives here in Colorado, she's part of our Colorado family, her suggestion was, How about if the gifts that we exchange this year all come from thrift stores? And we all thought that was a great idea. We can save money that way and really find something unique to share with our Colorado family. So I think that's what we're going to be doing. Alrighty, guys, thanks so much. And I will see you again in my next video, which will be next Friday. I wanted to mention, if you're still here at the end of the video, I wanted to mention that I am going to be uploading videos from now on every single Friday. That's going to be my date for new videos to appear here on YouTube. So you can watch for my videos on Fridays, and then periodically you'll see a bonus video on another day of the week. For example, when I do my Christmas home tour, that will actually be on a Wednesday in November. So I hope you guys are sticking around and enjoying the videos here at Rocky Mountain Gardens. And guys, you can also follow me on Instagram if you're interested. It's called Rocky Mountain Gardens, also on Instagram. So I hope to see you there or here on YouTube. Take care and have a lovely week.